Welcome to the episode 1 of AI.Cast, Customer Foresight Edition, Finding the Right Opportunities. I am Anthony Tusansky, CEO of Codento, your AI.Cast host, and a seasonal cover band drummer. AI and data are here to stay, and each business executive thinking of marketing, selling, and generating more revenue needs to learn from the leaders. In this episode, we will hear learnings from our customers and Google. Our customer Verocom, they are a leading Nordic retailer who are approaching their entire business as a platform rather than just a retail store. So we'll hear their experiences. This insight will be further expanded by Google expertise on Google's superior platform and preset tools for customer foresight. It is no secret that Google is a pioneer in understanding and utilizing customer data with their search and YouTube. Codento's expertise further expands this with ready templates for utilizing AI or different scenarios. We customize any of your business scenarios and harness all your data sources to provide better insights and recommendations for action. So let's dive into Groovy's way of using modern AI technologies for smarter marketing and sales.
Truth is, data volumes are growing, but that is not the biggest problem. We have data coming in very different formats: text, video, pictures, audio. Then we also have new ways of working with data, and LLM models come in from the last few months have proved that. Added to that, we have data reaching everyone in the organization, so we need to combine all that data and enable innovation. At Google, we are very familiar with this problem with bringing value from data, and this is something we've done for the last 25 years. So how can you build a platform that is limitless in scale for limitless workloads and for limitless users? And this is what our clients have done with Google Cloud. For example, L'Oreal, which is a beauty products leader, have a lot of information data both externally and internally spread across different platforms from SAP, Microsoft, Google Ads, and they wanted to combine that and give insights to their employees to make them get all that value from the data. With our technology, they were able to build a single pane of glass that they thought was impossible. We also have Wayfair, which is an e-commerce platform that sells furniture and home goods for clients. And they have a huge catalog. They want to find the exact match for the users. And the business users in the company want to actually get that information from the data. But they're not able to do that. They have to go to the data team to get the insights. And the data team is completely overwhelmed with the amount of requests. So with the introduction of our cloud platform, they were able to increase the NPS for the clients by 30% and allow the business users to also utilize and analyze the data, which means more business, less work, and happier customers. So there's not many providers that can build this scale of a platform for limitless workloads, limitless users, and limitless data. We have also local examples like Verocom, who are building the data platform on top of Google Cloud products. With the help of our professional partners like Codento, any company can get the value from data.
Hi, I'm Markku Pulkkinen from Codento, and I'm extremely pleased to have Jyrki Tulokas from Verocom here with me today. Jyrki, you are CSTO at Verocom. What does it mean?
Chief Technology and Strategy Officer. What I do is make sure that the strategy and the development that we do is interlinked and aligned. That's critical in our type of company that is very much platform-driven, technology-driven. So anything that we want to change in the company, as you know, it impacts the technology roadmap that we do. Well, I think it does. It raises the discussion higher in the company about technology being important and understanding that, you know, what's ahead of us, what changes we need to do, and what type of technology development we have ahead of us.
Codento offers AI value workshops to our customers with an aim to identify value-generating use cases for artificial intelligence and machine learning. So far, we have been doing 50 of these workshops. Soon we'll be reaching 60 of those That actually means that we have went to, together with our customers at least 250 different use cases that might be specific to a certain customer and their business environment, but some of them are more generic and therefore adaptable to wider business audience across industries and verticals. I went through some of the use cases within the customer insight category. The two main categories that we found out of these use cases were use cases related to customer acquisition and customer retention. How do you see, Jyrki, how relevant are those two categories for your business?
Customer data, customer acquisition, retention is in the heart of what we do. We have about 80 million visitors in our store every year, and about million customers in general that actively use our services. Understand what the customers do, what their behavior segments, and then also driving customers there is key. First is in customer care. How do you feed the customer care AI agent more data about the customers purchasing what they have purchased already, so it's aware of those and not just answering very generic questions about the usual things like opening hours or delivery stuff, but more like specific to the customer, what they know or what they have. And then the second is personalization. How do we actually offer the customer more personalized products, more personalized offers, more personalized in general, making our offering more personalized to them.
Do you have a concept at Verocom.com that actually you are targeting your customers and prospects as segment of one, so individuals rather than group of customers?
Still mostly around the group of customers, but that's, I think, what we would be heading to, whether it's personalization of the actual site or personalization of marketing messages and so on. So still today, we're still more kind of micro segments at most, not individual persons as such. I don't think it's a technology question per se. I think technically you can do this. It's more about what are the use cases, where is it really important that is specific to this one individual. Still most of these, especially marketing actions, are larger segment that you do it, this life cycle type of messaging. So when does it become like really specific to one customer? I think we just will drive it through use cases.
What are your expectations towards business partners?
It's, I think, in all business the same things, but here specifically, I'm trying to understanding our business, our premises, where we're coming from, but then having this wider view to use cases that others have already implemented. Because I think especially in this AI and data topics, it's all about trying out things. There's no proven way of doing things in many of the things that we're asking. So I think that being able to really quickly understand us, but also like how that's adaptable in technology, that's what we like to see in a partner.
So Jyrki, keeping up with the technology trends and development is quite a difficult task. So how do you do that personally, and how do you make sure that the organization will do the same? What are your sort of top advice to other people?
It's about time as well. You can't be up to date if you don't use time for it. How do you then, share this information inside the company? I think that we have a lot of people that are not technical even in a consumer retail company. So in data, for example, we made sure that the data people sit very closely with the business units and people in there. And hopefully that then shares and gives that technology understanding also to the non-technical people.
Wasn't this all inspiring? My definite favorite takeaway was from Verocom.com when Jyrki pointed out how critical role their AI will have in ensuring their efficiency also in the future. Now, to proceed promptly in your organization with AI scenarios, book a free AI Value workshop for customer foresight at Codento.com. And the next episode of AI.Cast is also soon here. This time it's all about exceeding your customer expectations with the help of AI, with special focus on generative AI. You will be notified by email of the availability when you have subscribed to the AI.Cast at Codento.com. So see you soon, and thanks for watching.